Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
Have you ever wondered what astronauts do if something goes wrong way up high? Don't worry, they have a clever plan. Today, we'll find out how astronauts can zoom safely away from their spaceship in an emergency. We'll see how a big floppy parachute helps them float gently down. And we'll learn why teamwork keeps everyone safe. Let's go! Let's start with our first big idea. How do astronauts escape in an emergency? Think about riding in a car. The first thing you do is buckle your seatbelt, right? Astronauts have seatbelts too, but they also have something much cooler. A special chair called an ejection seat. What does it do? Imagine your chair could suddenly go whoosh and shoot you up and away from danger faster than you can say blast off. If the spaceship has a big problem, the seat pushes the astronaut up and out super fast. We call that ejecting, and it works faster than you can blink. Wow! But wait, if an astronaut shoots way up high, how do they get back down safely? Here's something amazing. The ejection seat doesn't just give a little push. It launches the astronaut high into the sky and far away from danger in less than 1 second. That's faster than a sneeze. The seat is built extra strong, so it keeps the astronaut safe and snug while it flies. And astronauts wear special suits and helmets, a little bit like superhero gear, to keep them protected too. Pretty cool, right? But wait, if an astronaut shoots way up high, how do they get back down safely? Hold that thought. Time for our first quiz. Multiple choice question. When something goes wrong on a space shuttle, what helps an astronaut get away quickly? A. A special escape seat. B. Running shoes. C. A magic wand. Or D. A trampoline. The answer is A. A special escape seat. Did you get it right? Give yourself a big thumbs up. Now, back to that big question. Once an astronaut shoots up, how do they come back down safely? With a parachute. A parachute is like a giant floppy umbrella. When an astronaut is falling, it pops open, poof, into a big round shape above their head. But how does cloth slow someone down? With air. Try this later with a grown-up. Drop a flat piece of paper. It floats down slowly. Now crumple it into a ball and drop it. It falls fast. The flat paper catches lots of air, and the air slows it down. A parachute works the same way. It's big and wide, so it catches a whole bunch of air and slows the astronaut down. Instead of falling fast, they drift down gentle, like a feather. Always ask a grown-up before trying experiments, okay? And here's a fun fact. A parachute is big. Way bigger than you might think. If you spread one out flat on the ground, it could be as wide as a school bus is long. All that fabric scoops up tons of air. As the astronaut floats down, they bend their knees and get ready for a soft landing, just like when you hop off a swing and land on your feet. Sometimes, astronauts even splash down gently in the ocean, where boats are already waiting to scoop them up. Splash! Always ask a grown-up before trying experiments, okay? Time for quiz number 2. True or false? A parachute catches the air to slow an astronaut down so they can float gently to the ground. The answer is true. You're getting so smart. Here's one more big idea, maybe the most important one. It's planning ahead and teamwork.
Hey, you're watching Goalie's Pip Academy, where we teach about science, geography, history, everything about the whole world. If you want to watch these classes with no ads, no distractions, go to getgoalie.com.
Astronauts don't just hop in a rocket and hope for the best. No way. They plan and practice over and over. That way, if something goes wrong, they already know what to do. It's a lot like a fire drill at your school. And astronauts never do it alone. A whole team helps them. People on the ground, called mission control, watch everything and talk to them the whole time. If anything seems wrong, the team works together to fix it, fast. Everyone has a job. Everyone helps. You do this too when you clean up with your family or work with friends. Teamwork makes hard things easier. Astronauts practice so much that they could almost do their jobs with their eyes closed. They even train underwater in giant swimming pools because floating in water feels a little like floating in space. They run through their emergency plans again and again until every step feels easy. And mission control is like a big room full of helpers, all sitting at computers, watching to make sure everything is okay. If an astronaut needs anything, they just call down, and someone is always there to answer. It's like having a whole team of grown-ups cheering you on and keeping you safe. Everyone has a job. Everyone helps. You do this too when you clean up with your family or work with friends. Teamwork makes hard things easier. Time for our final quiz. Multiple choice question. Why is teamwork so important for keeping astronauts safe? A. It makes the ship go faster. B. Everyone helps and plans ahead. C. Teams get more snacks. Or D. One person does it all. The answer is B. Everyone helps and plans ahead. You did it! So let's remember what we learned today. Astronauts have special escape seats that whoosh them away from danger. Big, floppy parachutes catch the air and help them float down gently. And planning ahead and teamwork keep everyone safe. The next time you look up at the sky, think about those brave astronauts. And now you know just how they stay safe up there. Thanks for exploring with us. Keep wondering, keep asking questions, and keep being curious.
My mind is blown! Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.